Good morning, everyone. This is Steven with Black Lab RV Adventures. We're going to be doing a quick video today demonstrating the Husky 2-gallon 100 psi compressor. We're going to use it to pump up our tires on the RV. We're going to plug it into the Predator 3500 inverter generator. So this would be a good example of us being able to use the generator on the road when we're not hooked up to power. And we're going on a trip next weekend, so what we want to do is make sure that the tires on the RV are up to 70 psi. So what I'm going to do is, as the instructions said, I should be checking the air release here, which I did, and there's also a release down bottom. I connected the cable as well as my end point for the tire gauge. And what I'm going to do is start up the generator, plug in the Husky, and let the pressure get up to about 70, and that's where I want it to tank pressure up to 70. And then check the tires first on this gauge, and then fill them up and do it on all four. So I'll talk to you in a few minutes. Just wanted to give you a heads up. This is what we're doing to be able to address any issues when we're not hooked up to shore power using our new generator, as well as the Husky air compressor. Talk to you later. Bye. Started the Predator, hooked up the Husky, check the pressure on the tires. I set my regulator here, and now I'm filling up the tank. For a tire, we're about 5 pounds less. And as you can see, this keeps going up and down. This regulator here, the tool pressure. So we just went through and used the Husky 100 psi air compressor and the Predator 3500 inverter to fill the tires on the RV, so that we'll be ready to roll next weekend when we go up to Indiana. But you can hear that this is very quiet. It's a really good generator inverter, and I'm really impressed with this Husky. It worked really well. It was very easy. The instructions were very easy to read, and found to work really well. So hope you're having a great day. Again, Stephen with Black Lab RV Adventures, using the Predator 3500 generator and the Husky 100 psi air compressor. Have a great day. Bye.